If you're seeing a Tinkercad Error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it means and how to fix it step by step. This error usually means forbidden, which means Tinkercad can recognize your browser or account, but it's refusing access to a specific project or page. The good news is that this is often caused by account issues, browser cookies, network restrictions, or project privacy settings, and most of the time you can fix it without needing advanced technical skills. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is check your account permissions. Start by signing out of your Autodesk account completely, then sign back in. This refreshes your access token and can solve temporary login conflicts. Also, make sure you're using the correct account. If the design was created under a Google login, an Autodesk login, or a class code account, you need to be signed in to the exact account that owns or has access to that design. A 403 error often happens when the server knows who you are, but decides you do not have permission to open that private project. So before anything else, confirm the account is right. If you're in Tinkercad through a school or organization, double-check that you're not accidentally logged into a different profile. Next, let's look at network and firewall restrictions. If you have a VPN or proxy turned on, disable it temporarily and try loading Tinkercad again. VPNs and proxies can sometimes trigger security blocks on Autodesk servers, especially if the traffic looks unusual or comes from a restricted location. If you're on a school, college, or corporate network, it's also possible that the network itself is blocking the connection. In that case, ask your IT department to whitelist the Tinkercad and Autodesk domains, including *.tinkercad.com and *.autodesk.com. Educational and corporate networks often block the data ports or security checks that Tinkercad uses to verify user identity, and that can lead straight to a 403 error. If account and network checks don't solve it, the next step is to clear your browser cookies. Go into your browser settings and clear cookies and other site data, especially anything from the last 24 hours. You can also try opening the project in an Incognito or private window. This is a great test because it helps you see whether a corrupted or expired cookie is causing the permission conflict. Sometimes your browser keeps sending an old security credential that Tinkercad no longer accepts, and clearing the site data forces a fresh login. After that, try the same link again and see if the page loads normally. If you're still getting blocked, the final thing to verify is the project privacy setting. If you're opening a shared link, ask the owner to check whether the project is set to public or private. If the owner recently changed it back to private, anyone using an older shared link may get a 403 error. Another helpful trick is to try opening the project directly from your Tinkercad dashboard, instead of using a bookmarked or copied link. That can help confirm whether the issue is with the link itself or with your access permissions. Once you go through these 4 checks, account permissions, network restrictions, browser cookies, and project privacy, you'll usually find the cause of the Tinkercad Error 403 very quickly. And if the problem still continues, it may be worth signing out, clearing site data one more time, and asking the project owner or your IT admin to verify access settings. If this tutorial helped you fix the error, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more simple software fixes just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.